Sanibonani Bafundi, I hope you're doing well and you've been adequately preparing for your exams. Okwamanje-ke sizokwenza izabizwana zoqobo, which are absolute pronouns. Like I said the last time, and I will always say this, it's very, very important for you guys to know and understand your concords when doing any of the isiZulu language conventions. And you'll see just now with absolute pronouns, ukuthi yonke into, it's just connected. So what is a pronoun? Basics, it's a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Could be an object, it could be a person. So in isiZulu, we have got 4 types of pronouns, okay? Sinezabizwana siney'nhlobo ezine zezabizwana. Oqala sinezabizwana zoqobo, which are absolute pronouns. Sinezabizwana zokukhomba, demonstrative pronouns. Sinezabizwana zokubala, which are quantitative pronouns. And then sinezabizwana zenana, which are enumerative pronouns. For this lesson, Bafundi, we are just going to focus on the first one, absolute pronouns. So how do we do absolute pronouns in isiZulu? An absolute pronoun is defined by the formative honor. So for absolute pronouns, all of them have got this formative honor or the stem honor, which is also not a standalone word, but has to be prefixed by the subject concord in a sentence. Okay, this process is called consonantalization, which is quite a big term. But yes, what these mean, and yeah, let's get right into it. So for an example, like we said, an absolute pronoun or a pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. So if I don't want to say abafundi in a sentence, I'm going to use the absolute pronoun bona, which is made up of the concord, all right, and the formative honor, which becomes bona. So one might be asking, why there do we have an A, but in the final one, we do not have an A. Remember, we don't have 2 vowels standing together in Zulu, so the A is blended into the O. O is already a blended sound in Zulu. So in this case, bona would become the absolute pronoun in a sentence for abafundi. So if my sentence was abafundi bafunda izincwadi zabo, it would be bona bafunda izincwadi zabo. But I'll show you more examples as well. So this is the detailed table we follow for doing absolute pronouns. If you need to pause the video, please do so and study the table carefully. So umuntu would be yena, all right? It's an exception. Abantu bona, umuthi wona. So all these words are basically examples of all the noun classes that we've got in isiZulu and what each noun class changes to as we do absolute pronouns. Asenze now umsebenzi. So umfana ufunda incwadi. Let's change incwadi to an absolute pronoun. It would be umfana ufunda yona. Why would it be umfana ufunda yona? Because incwadi is in noun class 9, but there we've got inkomo, but yeah, incwadi is in this noun class because it starts with in or in. The subject concord for this noun class is I. The formative would be ona, of course, and then for incwadi, it becomes yona, the absolute pronoun for all the words in this noun class. You can think of words like imoto, inkomo, incwadi, inja. All those words with in or in at the start of the word would become yona. Hence, we've said here, umfana ufunda incwadi becomes umfana ufunda yona. Okay, let's do another example. Uthisha ufundisa abafundi. The absolute pronoun there would be yena ufundisa abafundi isiZulu. Sorry, I just made an error there. Yena ufundisa abafundi isiZulu. All right. Now let's use the same sentence, but change a different noun to an absolute pronoun. Abafundi would be uthisha ufundisa bona isiZulu. Okay. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafundi. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that a lot of you guys can get more help as you prepare for your exams. Thank you.